We're working on the last pieces to be constructed, which are the enormous smokestacks on the back of the chest unit. I have one attached there. You can see how big that unit is. And then what we've done is I've sliced off the top half of that pipe and put an intermediate ring on the inside, so that the top half, sitting here, can be placed on top of that and slid down into place with the seam like that, so that both of those large smokestacks are removable. And we've measured this so that it will guarantee that we're under our 8-foot limit. So that's where we are with the smokestacks.